Hey guys, quite a few issues at the front of this property. So we've got nails left in the mortar beds, so they need to be removed. This was most likely where the plot sign was kept. We need a little repoint in there, pretty minor though. Door protection hasn't been removed from the garage door, so that's going to trap water and end up corroding the bottom of the door. So have a look, you see all that trapped water there, so that will end up corroding the bottom of the door. The mastic seal, look at the state on this, look at that, absolutely shocking, Jesus. And we got a load of excess water on the floor, that needs to be cleaned off, but so far nothing too crazy. On the front door we got a bit of damage to the frame there. The house number has been installed massively at level, which I'm not going to show, and also the door catches a little bit when you close it. The brickwork down here got a little bit of a step. It's nothing crazy, but there's a step all the way along the bottom there where we've got a corner trim missing to the fascia there, and this sill end cap is damaged there. So that's pretty much it for the front. Yeah, these paving stones were loose. That one, this one, that one's cracked there, well, chipped really, and fairly minor, but nice tight gap there, nice tight joint there, and then there, large joint. So a little bit inconsistent, poor finish. On the right hand elevation, nothing too crazy. So we got a little bit of repointing required there, there, and there. The barge board is actually protruding, the boxing there, so that needs to be sorted out. And this section of render is actually running out of square to the barge board, so that looks pretty poor, to be honest. Not too happy with that. Along the left hand elevation, we've got an absolutely massive step between the barge board and the boxing. Look at that, nice big gap as well, shocking. The mastic seal on this meter box, not great. I know it's render, but that's horrendous. Ha, good joke. Further down the elevation, we've yet again got another step to the brickwork. So it's just this lower brickwork all the way along. It's just stepping out a little bit. So it's been poorly set out. Nightmare. So in the garden, they've yet to lay the turf. But before they lay the turf, they need to remove some of these big stones. The small stones are fine, but the big stuff, we don't want that. Throughout the property, the paintwork and plastering has been really poor. Look at the state on this. Look at this. This is in bedroom 1. I'm not actually sure how this has been handed over like this, to be honest. It's really poor, and it's extremely easy to see, you know. Look at this, shocking. Along the stairs, we've got lots of indentations to the newel posts, lots of damage. The paintwork is extremely poor. The paint is just extremely rough texture. It's full of little bits of dust. I'm just not sure how they've handed this over, to be honest. Paintwork along the stairs is extremely rough. Look at this. Look at this. Extremely poor. Needs to be improved. Look at this. Glazing beads cracked. It's been a theme throughout the property, to be honest. All the glazing beads have been poorly installed. Right then guys, I'll see you next time on the next one.